Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday. Yes, we made it to Friday, January 17th, 2025. Welcome to the live trading room of Tim the Trader. Let me let some folks in here. There we go. A lot of folks just jumping in right now. Anyway, let's get rid of the disclaimer, bring up yesterday's trades. And we had that unfortunate first trade, but made most of it back in the second trade. Some of you did get profitable by that second trade. We had that nice sell-off that happened yesterday. Then we went sideways, had a third trade for plus 11, fourth trade, a little scalp, and then a fifth trade for plus 8. But what I'm hoping is right at the time we were getting off, this swing high happened with a complete reversal that happened. And I'm hoping that some of you caught that yesterday. And there was another nice sell-off here, happened about 1:15 that happened. And then the end of the day sell-off. So there was a lot of decent price action later in the afternoon that those of you who trade throughout the day, I hope you caught some of that. Anywho, let's see. So Q closed at 512.93, and that looks like that was the low of the day. And we've had a big, wow, look at that big swing high up to 522.53. Let's just check something here. Yes, we do have a gap play. So high of the day was really in the first minute. So we're going to make that gap fill and trigger at 519.06. 519.06. I'm going to write that down. 519.06 is the gap fill and trigger. Boy, something went off that made the market go up. I think Keith will probably have an explanation for that. Let me get rid of something here. Let's move over to the option chain, and we're going to trade Monday's expiration, which is the 21st, January.
We'll do Tuesdays. Actually, the market's closed on Monday for Martin Luther King Day.
That's right. That's absolutely right. Thank you, sir, for the reminder. Actually, Tuesday's expiration, which may be way too expensive. We'll check it out when we get the pre-market in. It is way, well, you can see if you're looking at your option chain how unbalanced it is right now. So we'll get back to that when the pre-market gets in, and we'll make a final determination. We may be trading today's if those are too high. Anyway, we've got over 2,700,000 in the pre-market. A lot of that, but a lot of that just happened here in the last hour. And with that, I'm going to throw it over to Keith, who probably has some thoughts on this. Hey, Keith, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Good morning, everybody. There were a number of reports that came out this morning, building permits and housing starts. Building permits were a little stronger than anticipated. Housing starts were significantly higher than anticipated. And capital utilization report came out, and that was actually a little bit higher than anticipated. And industrial production came out quite a bit higher than anticipated. So given all those, the market said, okay, let's take off here. We will not have any reports during the market hours that should affect us today. So we may not have a pop at the top at 10 o'clock, but we'll see. And as I said and Tim said earlier, the markets are closed on Monday for Martin Luther King Day. And so take the day off on Monday.
Yep. Get a day off. Okay. All right. So we're coming up here on 5 seconds. Stand by. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're in. And let me see if I can get logged in to get some real numbers here. Wow. Drop in quickly. All right. Okay. So looks like we can stay on Tuesday's expiration. They're in about the $3 range, which is about where we're used to. Watching this push down go 614. All right, guys, let's just stand by at the 522 on the put side. 522. It is. All right, going over that 522, stand by. Actually, I'm going to hold off here a little bit.
I know I am.
I'm going to wait for the rebound. This could just slingshot right back. So let's just hold off on this. We're going to let a few minutes go by.
Market makers certainly have played with us at the first 5 minutes, actually first 10 minutes the last couple days.
Yeah.
Looks like you got a full house today, Tim.
We do. We do. Not surprised to see this pullback happen off that big swing high that happened in the last 45 minutes before market open. We're up over 4 million, 4.4 million. Dow Jones is up 316. NASDAQ's up 299. S&P's up 53. So very positive market. So we'll look at the rebound here or at the reversal here, hopefully coming up.
Yeah, unfortunately, I was away from my computer and for the afternoon trading yesterday because it did look like a couple of nice swings.
Yeah, there were.
But I was up nicely yesterday, so that was a good positive day for me.
Good deal. Yeah, I ended up positive yesterday. Even though we did take a trade after you left, that did not turn out. That up a little bit.
Next Tuesday might be a little crazy day trading with the election or the inauguration on Monday.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see.
Well, the markets have been up drastically given the financial reports coming out from the banking industry. They've I think been up because of the potential ceasefire agreement over in the Mideast
Mm-hmm.
and the potential the inauguration coming on Monday. So I think all those things have been pulling it up some here this week too.
Yeah, I agree. There's a lot of optimism out there. But with all this selling off, the 5 minute is just now coming to a cross. We're at VWAP.
That's unusual this morning. We haven't seen quick up and downs on the first five candles or so.
No,
That's unusual.
it is. All right, on the call side, I'll be at the 520 on the call side. If this turns around. Let's make sure it's just not a false reversal. Let's give it a little bit of time. See if it overcomes this little reversal. Looking at the 520 on the call side. A crazy Ivan action going on. Oh, gonna have to turn on the space heater here. Get this to reverse. If you just joined us, we haven't done a trade yet. Looking at a possible call if this reverses.
I've got my space heater on too, Tim. Boy, it's going to be cold next week.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think Monday a high here is 18, low is 5,
Ooh, too cold.
and maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow on Sunday.
Oh boy. Wow, up to 6 million already on the underlying. Dow's up 292, Nas up 253, S&P up 47.
You looking at a put here, Tim?
I haven't considered it, considering how high the markets are.
Yeah, yeah, good point. Good point. And MACD's getting pretty low too.
Yeah, I think I'd prefer to wait for the reversal.
Yeah. We've had some nice volume on the candles though.
Yeah.
Trying to set up for a pivot point there.
Yeah. All right, still look, well, I'm going to go to the 519 on the call side. 519. Let's get rid of that. Let's wait for this to come back above VWAP.
You definitely got a pivot point there.
Mm-hmm. Up to 7 million already on the underlying.
Wow.
Look at all that volume on the volume bar. Wow. Okay. So looking at the 519 on the call side. Let's keep growing. There's VWAP. So let it move through VWAP first. All right, stand by on this 519. Price always has trouble getting across VWAP. Well, it didn't on the way down. It just blew right through VWAP on the way down. Well, no, I'm sorry. It did reverse a little bit at VWAP over here. Right in here.
Hmm.
Hmm. Well, we're just in consolidation now. It's going sideways. That breakout to the top side has not materialized yet. Up to 8 million already on the underlying. Might get to our 10 million before the top of the hour.
That'd be unusual for us here recently.
Yeah.
You have a
Did I
demand.
miss any trades?
What's that?
Did I miss any trades?
No. Nope, we haven't made a trade yet, Israel.
Okay.
You didn't miss anything, Israel.
Tim, we have a
All
demand.
good.
What's that?
Demand zone.
Yes, we do have one. Thank you. Breaking through here. All right. I'm going to 519 on the call side. Stand by.
Gonna stay up there.
All right. I'm going to enter this 519. There we go. Filled at 414. We'll make a 30 to 50 cent stop.
We got in at 416.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, you turkey. Come on, get back up there. Come on, get up there. That's it. Get on up there. Come on, keep getting up there. Come on, up, 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 up. Nah, get back up there.
If we can just get over VWAP and stay over VWAP, we have clear way to go up.
Yep. There you go. Get on up there. Nah, wrong color. Wrong color. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Jump across that. Come on, there.
All right, remember your stops, guys. I'm probably going to stick with this a little bit longer. But you want to remember your stops and get out of this.
I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I'll get back in it if it turns around. I'm out. Well, I didn't get out. What happened? Oh, did it not get out? Why didn't it get out? There it goes. I'm out.
Okay.
I don't know why it took a while to fill that thing.
There's a doji. Come on, let's get over VWAP.
Tim, are y'all still in the trade?
I'm still in the call.
Okay,
He
I
is
got
not.
knocked out of it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got out.
Okay, thanks.
I'm waiting for it to get across VWAP again before I get back in.
Well, you called it, Keith. There's definitely no pop.
Oh, yeah, thank you. I wasn't even paying attention to that. Yeah.
Well, we did get some movement up. That was that big push up that we had at 10. It did end up over 100,000 in volume. So it was a bit of a pop there. But no reports or news.
We call the Alka-Seltzer move the pop fizz.
That's what we call it from now on.
Come on, let's get some breakout movement here. About the last half hour, it's just been stuck in this narrow range.
Yeah. Yeah, and all that sell-off we had in the beginning, definitely we would see a more significant reversal by now, especially with the markets being up.
Yeah.
Just hasn't quite taken hold on NASDAQ yet, and I think it will, which is why I'm remaining in this trade.
I've just got bitten too many times that I just wasn't going to ride that.
Yep. Oh, I hear you. Come on, breakout, breakout.
They're going to stay this time?
I hope so.
I'd like to get into that now, but I'm going to wait for one more candle. All right, I'm going to try to get in on this. Got in at 418.
I got 35 cents.
Oh, nice.
Great.
Nicely done.
I'll get back up there some more.
I think there is no market maker today, or else they're asleep.
Yeah, they haven't shown up.
Come on, get back up there.
Got 11 cents.
Okay. Good job.
Come on, get back up there.
Move the demand zone down just a wee bit.
You're still in this, Tim?
Yep.
Jeezy peasy. Come on, get back up there. Come on, jump up. Jump up.
Hmm.
Directionally challenged today. Come on. You gotta get up there. That's a nice pushback wick on that one. Let's do something about it and continue. There we go.
Broader markets are still way up. 343 on the Dow, Nas up 279, S&P up 57.
Come on, get back up there.
We've got 10,700,000 in on the underlying. Going sideways again in consolidation. Let's get another breakout to the top side going here.
Come on, get back up there.
Got some volume coming in on this minute, trying to reverse this direction.
Come on, get on up there.
Gotta get out of this sideways movement here. Up to 11,100,000. Price is just kind of stuck in this tight little range here.
Come on, keep it going up there. Except for that one candle at 10:13, it's been pretty low volume.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Come on, get on up there.
Give this a supply zone here. All right, I'm getting out of this.
Same here.
Would you end at? Do you know?
Haven't quite sold yet.
Oh, okay.
I got out at 3:02.
Let's see if I can get a little of this back.
been a tough week. Is there any reason why the markets have been so different recently? Or have you experienced markets like this where
Yes.
this
Yeah.
isn't
We
working?
have experienced markets like this where we're just not getting consistent breakouts. Then we go to a scalping mode. But yeah, we've had weeks like this before. They don't last.
Came right down to fill the gap area and bounced right back up.
Mm. There, I finally got out.
Tim,
Yeah.
quick question. So then you had a lot of chance to go out. I mean, from this trade with, profit. So then why you didn't get out?
It only got profitable about 5 cents for me. Even when it was at its peak, it was only about a 5, 6 cents profit.
Got it.
So I was staying in for more, which was obviously a mistake.
Got it. Thanks.
Guys, I am truly sorry about this week. It has been just dismal. I mean, other than that initial sell-off in the beginning, there's just been very little direction to this market. And sometimes the best trades are no trades.
I feel like Rocky in the ring this week.
Feel like what?
Rocky from the movie. Being a boxer getting pummeled.
Yeah. So we're a little over an hour into the market. We've got 13, about almost 14 million on the underlying. Dow's up 364, NAS is up 261, S&P's up 56. Still very strong markets. Surprisingly, we haven't seen a breakout toward the top end. This could be it now.
I'm not certain I want a chance anymore today.
Yeah.
Hey, Tim, what is those two, red, they're almost dots, they're flat. There's no trading? What do they mean?
Just means very little price movement
Price movement?
within that minute. Yeah, when you see a very short body, just means there's just not a lot of price movement going on at that point. Yeah, of course, now that call's taking off. Well, I'm still here, folks.
Me too.
Tim,
Yeah.
are there any insights to be taken from the 5 minute MACD sitting in a put all morning?
Yeah. It just shows that the bias of the market is toward the put side, is that price will continue to decline slowly, even though it's going through fluctuations. We should look at, let's see what the 10 and 15 are looking like. So the 10-minute is an overall put direction right now, but the 30 is in a call. But I think what you can see that is just a slow decline in price.
But on the 5, 15, and 30, they're all just flat, really. The active line is just flat.
Yeah. Going to move the supply zone up just a wee bit. I think what's more significant is that price is hovering around VWAP quite a bit, orbiting VWAP. So it's staying very close to center, which is flat. Got a bit of a breakout trying to establish itself now, but watch it float right back in.
Hey, Tim, except for the quick pre-market stuff, I think everybody's just sort of waiting to see what next week is going to do, that nobody wants to go up or down here.
Yeah. Yeah, I think next week we're going to see a much different market. I think we're going to see a lot of optimism come into the market with the new administration. As Keith had mentioned, peace perhaps in the Middle East. Perhaps we can start getting that situation resolved. The markets love that. They do not like, markets generally do not like wars.
Yeah, I'm just surprised we haven't had more movement given the volume we've had.
Yeah.
That's just really surprised me.
As far as the charts today, they're going to come down fairly early. I've got a number of one-on-ones that I'm doing this afternoon, so I'll need the charts for those. So unfortunately, they will not be up very long this afternoon, which may be a blessing. Boy, this is just moving nowhere. Guys, I think we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for today, for the week. This is just going nowhere. So thank you for hanging out with us this week. I really appreciate you being in the room. I hope you all come back next week and join us again. And I think with that, we're going to go ahead and sign off for the week, and we will see you Tuesday. Thank you, Keith.
All right. Yep. Have a good weekend, everybody.
All right. Bye-bye.
The markets are closing on Tuesday or Monday?
Markets are closed on Monday.
Okay. Have a good weekend.
Okay. Bye-bye.